So far, we have discussed about a descriptive statistics so on a continuous data. Now, we will go with the discrete data. Like we have been taken a discrete data. Okay, these are the discrete columns we have. Column which has unique values less than 25. On this thing, when you come with discrete data, we'll not be able to do this outlier, all these things. Okay, it's these statistical things are applicable only for the continuous data. When it comes to discrete data, we check the influence analysis. We say influence influence on output. Okay, when it comes to influence on output, here output variable will be sale price, right? The sale price. So what we will take, for example, one of the discrete variable, if I take for example uh, data, I will group by how to calculate a influence. We will group by those unique values. I'll take that group by, we'll copy anyone, will copy, so we'll copy that the group by. Okay, group by that particular column. How to group by that particular column? I say by output variable, that is nothing but sale price, right? Sale price. If I say group by sale price, we are not able to get it anything, right? Just we are grouping by means each of the unique things we group and sale price we taken, but in sale price also we need to take which statistics you use for that particular group. I can use a median or mean, but I will use a median. If I take a median, you can see it given this a value like ms subclass 20. The median value of that means this much, means in a sales price when you taken. Okay, which particular subclass is influencing more on a sale price, I can check. Just I will sort this value, sort underscore values. If I do, we'll get it like which particular thing has a most influence, like 60, right? This has a most influence on a thing. Okay, same thing, I just want to plot it. Just I say dot plot, so it will plot that. Okay, when I say dot plot, no, it taken a line plot, so it will not be visible good, right? So we have to group by, when we taken, either we can plot by line or by pie. I say bar chart, I can use plot dot bar, so that we can have that which particular subclass is influencing more. Within there are so many subclasses, in that which particular subclass is influencing more. Like this we can do it for all of them. Here only one thing I haven't done, one column. I can do it for all the column just by saying for loop, by using for loop for feature in discrete variable group. Instead of saying here particular column, I give the general name feature, that column name. Okay, and this will be one indent. Okay, now if I say plot, it start plotted, but overlapping is there, because to avoid that overlapping, I say plot dot show, so that one by one it will start plotting. In the case of MSS subclass, what happened? In the case of overall quality, what happened? Which quality has a most sales, like price, when they paid a more price when we have a quality of 10, like quality increases, like your price also increases, right? So overall condition, when you have a good condition, like average condition also, it's fine. And when you have a condition rating 9, then also we have more. Okay, like 1 2 3, like lower the condition, the sales price will not be good. And when it comes to the like surface area, like which type of area they will prefer more. Okay, how many bathrooms they are looking for, like more if you have a two bathroom they will pay more comparatively if you have a three or one bathroom. And like hall, in a basement hall, how many bathrooms they prefer, like uh, even though if it is there, there is no bathroom also fine in a basement. But when it comes to the bathroom overall, three bathroom at least if they have, they will be paid more comparatively to one bathroom. Okay, even without bathroom also paid more, but one bathroom less. Like this we can check the influence of the particular descriptive variable on output. Okay, we use a group by, then on the median of the sale price we take an output variable, we sorted them and plotted here. Okay, you like to plot horizontally, bar h we have to say, to plot them horizontally like this. Okay, this is the one thing when it comes to the descriptive statistics. Okay, when it comes to the discrete variable. Okay, in next session we will discuss about how to analyze the qualitative variable.